Construction of the East End Crossing, which includes the nearly half-mile Lewis and Clark Cable-Stayed Bridge over the Ohio River, twin underground tunnels, and 8.5 miles of new roadway, was completed in about 3.5 years.
That was due to the schedule that WVB East End Partners brought into the project, the skill and dedication of all their contractors and subcontractors that they brought on board. Quite amazing that they accomplished what they did in 3.5 years.
About 1,200 workers were involved in the construction project, a majority of them residents of Kentucky and southern Indiana. But several hundred people from other parts of the nation and the world also joined in the project to provide their expertise.
Subject matter experts from around the world, from as far away as Australia, China, France, Germany. Thousands of workers. At any given time, there would have been 600 to 700 on site.
The East End Crossing was built by WVB East End Partners, a consortium of 3 companies. Vinci is a global player in concessions and construction, employing more than 183,000 people in some 100 countries. Walsh Construction is recognized as a top 15 contractor nationally and works in the building, civil, and transportation sectors. And BBGI is an infrastructure investment company, which provides its investors with exposure to a diversified portfolio and currently has 39 assets in the UK, continental Europe, Australia, Canada, and the USA.
The public-private partnership between WVB East End Partners and Indiana Finance Authority really was a win-win for both teams and for the state of Indiana. WVB really brought in the innovative designers and engineers and constructors that were able to accomplish this at the schedule and the cost that Indiana was looking for.
The construction team faced a remarkable number of challenges throughout the project, including 2 unusually harsh winters, and the river flooded several times, forcing workers to scale back their bridge building activities until the water subsided.
Obviously, a cable-stayed bridge over a river where that is susceptible to spring flooding. Building a tunnel in a populated area with all of the excavation and blasting that had to take place, that was certainly a challenge. Building 8.5 miles of new roadway, interstate type roadway, is a challenge in itself, from safety aspect, quality aspect, just access to the project. This is in a very rural area in Indiana. The access was very limited.
In Kentucky, the team was challenged with building a portion of the new road beneath historic property in the town of Prospect. So WVB created a pair of 1,700-foot tunnels, one northbound, one southbound, to go 80 feet under the preserved estate. The tunnels, the second largest roadway tunnels in Kentucky, were created by excavating about 200,000 cubic yards of dirt and rock. Holes for the explosives were drilled into portions of the limestone and shale. These sections are detonated. Loose rock is hauled away by dump truck, and the process was repeated hundreds of times. The crown jewel of the project is the Lewis and Clark Bridge. Spanning 2,500 feet over the Ohio River, it is the largest of the 22 bridges built for the project. 2 diamond-shaped towers connect 104 stay cables to the span of the bridge. Construction on the towers began in the fall of 2013 and was completed in March 2016. On the Indiana side, at the interchange of State Roads 265 and 62 and Port Road, WVB constructed 3 modified roundabouts designed to move traffic safely and efficiently.
Roundabouts have been proven to be a very safe and efficient way of moving large numbers of vehicles through an area very quickly. The federal highway statistics show that they are some 75% safer in general than signalized intersections. Well, this public-private partnership was really very successful, and it's already serving as a model for other owners, other states, other governmental entities, as how a P3 can be put together. Personally, for me, it was very satisfying to be involved in a project like this.